Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S8 and today I would like to show you how we can set up face unlock on this Samsung. Firstly, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose biometrics and security. Then tap on face recognition and enter your current, misclick, location method. When you're ready, read the disclaimer and tap on continue. Then you need to answer this question: do you wear glasses? In my case no, so I have to click on this answer over here and choose continue. Then select OK over here. And now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!